you define cheating in a relationship? Yan ang naging tanong ng isang reporter kay Donnie, pero matapang na sinagot ng aktor. Cheating in a relationship is about breaking the trust and respect that you have with your partner. Kailangan may boundaries ka. You set the boundaries of the relationship anytime you're in one. If you go beyond those set boundaries, you are cheating. Kasi if you choose to be in a relationship, be honest and be loyal. If you can't do those simple things, be single. Dagdag pa ng aktor, sabi nga nila, a mistake is something that happens accidentally. Cheating and lying are not accidents, they are choices. And loyalty is a responsibility, not a choice. Ay bongga, napaka-loyal talaga ni Donato kay Belinda.